So we have already covered for the first two manipulation techniques. Let's look at the third one. Whenever you see an under root sign, most probably this technique would apply. For example, if the expression is 3 minus under root 6x plus 21, you simply have to take the same expression, change this sign in the middle. So this would become 3 plus under root 6x plus 21 and multiply these both together. Let's try solving one question to understand it better. For any calculation limit problem, the first step is simply to substitute. So we'll do that. 3 minus 6 into negative 2 plus 21 divided by negative 2 plus 2. So we'll get 3 minus under root negative 12 plus 21 divided by 0, which is same as 3 minus under root 9 over 0, which is 3 minus 3 divided by 0, and it is 0 divided by 0. Now whenever we have 0 divided by 0, we apply one of the manipulation techniques. The first step is to try taking common, so we'll do that. We can see that we cannot take anything common from either the numerator or the denominator, so we'll write the same expression again. Step B is to apply the manipulation technique. So we will see the expression. The numerator has the under root sign, so we will simply multiply it with 3 and we'll change the sign. So instead of negative, we'll make it a positive. Under root 6x plus 21 divided by 3 plus under root 6x plus 21. Now let's try to simplify the numerator. This will be multiplied with this, so it would be 3 square. Then 3 would be multiplied by this, so it would become plus 3 into 6x plus 21. Then negative under root 6x plus 21 will be multiplied with 3, so it would become minus 3 under root 6x plus 21. And finally, negative under root 6x plus 21 will be multiplied by under root 6x plus 21. So this would become negative under root 6x plus 21 square divided by the same x plus 2, 3 plus under root 6x plus 21. In the numerator, these two will simply become 0. So we'll be left with 3 square minus under root 6x plus 21 square divided by x plus 2, 3 plus under root 6x plus 21. If we solve for this, it would become 9 minus 6x plus 21 divided by x plus 2, 3 plus under root 6x plus 21. Now if we simplify this, we will get 9 minus 6x minus 21 divided by x plus 2, 3 plus under root 6x plus 21. Then it would become negative 6x negative 12 divided by x plus 2, 3 plus under root 6x plus 21. We can take negative 6 as common, so it would become negative 6 x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 multiplied by 3 plus under root 6x plus 21. Here we can simply cancel off x plus 2 and x plus 2, and we'll be left with negative 6 divided by 3 plus under root 6x plus 21. Now if we substitute for x again, it would become negative 6 divided by 3 plus under root 6 into negative 2 plus 21, which is 6 divided by 3 plus under root negative 12 plus 21, which is negative 6 divided by 3 plus under root 9, which is minus 6 divided by 3 plus 3, and it is same as negative 6 over 9, which is minus 2 divided by 3. So this is your answer. Let's try doing some practice questions to understand it better. Question 1. Find limit as x approaches negative 1 of x plus 1 divided by under root x plus 5 negative 2. Let's try substituting. Negative 1 plus 1 divided by negative 1 plus 5 under root negative 2, which is 0 divided by under root minus 2, which is the same as 0 divided by 2 minus 2, which is 0 divided by 0. So let's jump to step 2. Try taking something common. We can see we cannot take anything common from either the numerator or the denominator. So let's try putting the manipulation technique. We can see that there is an under root in the denominator. So we will take a conjugate of that and multiply it with numerator and the denominator. So it would become x plus 1 divided by x plus 5 minus 2, multiply by, in the numerator we'll have under root x plus 5, and we'll change the sign, so plus 2, and in the denominator we'll have it again x plus 5 and plus 2. Why plus? Because we are taking the conjugate of this, and here there's a negative, so we'll make it positive. If we simplify, we will get x plus 1 under root x plus 5 plus 2 in the numerator, and if we simplify the denominator, we will eventually get x plus 5 square minus 2 square. You always have to simplify the value with the under root sign in the beginning. So we had the under root sign in the denominator, so we'll only simplify the denominator. X plus 1 same under root x plus 5 plus 2 divided by x plus 5 negative 4. So this would become as x plus 1 x plus 5 under root plus 2 divided by x plus 1. We can simply cancel off x plus 1 and x plus 1 over here, and we'll be left with under root x plus 5 plus 2. Now if we substitute for x again, we will get negative 1 plus 5 plus 2, which is under root 4 plus 2, which is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So 4 is your answer. Question number 2. We'll simply substitute 4 minus 4 divided by 3 minus 4 plus 5, which is 0 divided by 3 minus under root 9, which is 0 divided by 3 minus 3, and it is 0 divided by 0. So step 2, we'll try taking something common, and we can see we cannot take anything common from either the numerator or the denominator. So let's try to apply the manipulation technique. We can see that the under root sign is in the denominator, so we'll take the conjugate of that. So it would become x minus 4 divided by 3 minus under root x plus 5 multiplied by 3 plus under root x plus 5, 3 plus under root x plus 5. Now we know the under root sign was in the denominator, so we'll only simplify the denominator. So numerator would remain the same, x minus 4, 3 plus under root x plus 5, and the denominator would eventually become 3 square minus x plus 5 square, which can be written as x minus 4, 3 plus under root x plus 5 divided by 9 minus x minus 5. So this would become x minus 4, 3 plus under root x plus 5 divided by negative x plus 4. You can see that we cannot quite cancel off these two values as the signs are different. Now in order to make the signs same, we can simply take negative 1 as common. So the numerator would remain the same, x minus 4, 3 plus under root x plus 5, and the denominator would have negative 1 as common and x minus 4. Now we can simply cancel off x minus 4 and x minus 4, and we'll have 3 plus under root x plus 5 divided by negative 1. Now let's try substituting for x again. 3 plus under root 4 plus 5 divided by negative 1. So it would become 3 plus under root 9 divided by negative 1, which will be 3 plus 3 divided by negative 1, and it is negative 6. So negative 6 is your answer. For the third question, I would suggest you to solve it yourself. The final answer would be negative 5 for you to cross check. Hello everyone. Welcome to All Possible Questions. In this video, we'll be covering calculating limits.